Meaning of inevitably.
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 Inevitably. The word inevitably refers to something that is bound to happen, regardless of any attempts to prevent it. It suggests that the outcome is certain and cannot be avoided. When we say that something will inevitably happen, we imply that all the factors involved point to a specific conclusion. For example, if we continue to ignore climate change, it will inevitably lead to devastating consequences for our planet. Therefore, inevitably conveys a sense of urgency and should serve as a warning that prompt action is necessary to avert undesirable outcomes.